The need to deliver robust machining strategies, improve manufacturing efficiencies, and more sustainable ways of working has never been greater. At Cadline, our dedicated team have over 150 years combined industry experience and machining expertise to help you improve your production workflows and turn pixels into parts. We can help improve your design-to-shop floor workflows and machining throughputs, achieve operational efficiencies, remove mundane tasks, automate CNC workflows, and explore additional production opportunities, all within Autodesk's Fusion 360 manufacturing platform. We start by understanding your challenges and objectives, and then provide the solution that is right for you. When needed, we can also introduce you to one of our accredited partners, such as leading tooling manufacturer Dormer Pramet, to collectively deliver positive production outcomes for your business. Our subject matter experts deliver a comprehensive portfolio of professional services that includes design and CAM software training, consultancy, the provision of post-processors, and ongoing industry-leading technical support. You can rest assured that we will bring the best expertise and capabilities to your business and help you achieve your full production potential.